And so what makes you then unique and shine is to know exactly how to create content for them. So I'll show you a very unique way here that's just going to blow your mind into pieces on how you can absolutely do that. So first thing is, let's pick a kitchen here. And I love this. This looks just amazing, as you could see. But again, I don't know anything about this. I just know the kitchen has an island. What it's made out of, I don't understand. So what am I going to do here? I'm simply going to right click it right there. And then you see where it says search with Google Lens. That's what I'm going to do. Search with Google Lens. Now let's see what Google Lens tells us here. So as you can see, it brings up a whole bunch of these pictures that look similar to the kitchen. As a matter of fact, as you can see, it brings up a recent post we've created about the kitchen. But if I wanted to create this post, what would I do? Or if I want to know more about this kitchen again, what do? I simply go in here and say, tell me about this kitchen, and watch the magic happen right here. So as you can see, it says this kitchen features a modern design with white shakers cabinets, a dark countertop, and stainless steel appliances. It boasts a large island with seating, perfect for casual dining or entertaining. The wood flooring, as you can see, adds warmth to the space, while the pendant light brings a touch of sophistication. I know nothing about this. I don't know about a pendant light. I know there are wood floors there, the white shaker cabinets. I don't know that, So it lets you know how you can easily know or find out about products that you don't know about, right? So I'm just going to do another one here. Let's go out. How about this? We're going to right click it again and search with Google Lens and see what we get. And then we say, tell us about this part of this kitchen. And let's see what it says again with the generative AI. So this part of the kitchen features, wow, look at that. IKEA's Axtad matte white cabinets. They have a simple design with an inset panel that can fit in both modern and traditional kitchens. The foil finish is smooth, moisture resistant, stain resistant. Look at all that. So it's giving me all this information that I could simply now then go create content on. Now, what's going to even take it to a different level for you is we're going to go back here again and let's say search with Google Lens again and say, tell us about this kitchen. It's going to give us more information just like it did earlier. And once I figure that out, see, it says now it has white shaker cabinets, dark countertops, large island, stainless steel appliances, hardwood flooring, pendant lighting, open layout. All the great stuff that I need to know. And what then can I do? I can go right back here and say, can you create a social media post for this kitchen with emojis and hashtags telling them to contact us to upgrade their kitchen. Misspelled it, but let's see what happens. So here it is. It's generating, and there we go. Tired of outdated kitchen? Transform your cooking space into a culinary haven with our expert kitchen renovations. Check out this stunning transformation we did in Arlington Heights. Contact us today for a free consultation. Let's create the kitchen of your dreams. Now, see, that's quite generic, right? Now, we're going to say create a social media post for this kitchen mentioning the special features in the kitchen, and let's see what happens. And so the whole idea, again, is that right on the same page that you're here, you can create content. So there we go. Upgrade your kitchen to a chef's dream. The stunning kitchen features sleek white cabinetry, a gorgeous dark countertop island, and top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Plenty of natural light, ample storage, and a modern design. Make this the perfect space for cooking and entertaining. Contact us today for a free consultation. And as you can see, there are no emojis there. So again, it goes to the fact that you have to be specific with this.